Hello everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends, and today we're going to be repairing this little Santa light here. A friend of ours, Sarah, pulled it out of the attic and brought it out and plugged it in, and the dog chewed the end of the cord off. And she said, wonder if you can put a new cord on it, Harold. And I said, sure. So we got this at the local box store. You can get it at a supply house or a box store. It's a little two-prong plug. And then you have, this one has writing on it, so good. So what we have here, we're going to cut this off. And it's nothing like telephones ringing all the time. And these skinners, and you cut that off. Then you take and skin the tips like this. Now they can't figure out how to turn the phone off. And as good as Carl is with the telephone, it's amazing. So you skin this, and then here's your plug, and you twist these real good, like this. Then I got this coming apart. You feed this through, and I think I'm going to skin a little bit more. That gives me more to wrap around the screw. Okay. Now we've got it through this end. Never forget to put that on. I do that all the time. I forget to put that on. So you got your ends. This doesn't have a polarity end on it, which is amazing. Most everything, yes, but it's got a white and a brass. That's cool. That's what it's supposed to have. You loosen those screws. And if you look at this, you'll see writing on this one. That's going to be your neutral. Okay? And if it's not writing on it, it's got ribs on it. The ribs is the neutral. Okay? You twist this. Make a little loop. And this is going to go to the shiny screw. My little fat fingers ain't working too good here. Loosen it back up. Get me a good twist. It really don't take too long, but getting everything lined up is what does it. We're back on our shiny side. And every phones make all this neat little noises. And everybody knows you're home this time of day, so everybody wants to call. Okay, we got that around there. These little plug accordions come in many different variations. Okay, that one's hooked. Now we're going to take the brass side. Let me unscrew this screw a little bit more. Yeah. And you always put it on the count, you put it clockwise, so when you tighten the screw, you tighten the wire down tight on it, like that. So now we have the black on that, the neutral on the shiny side. Now you slide this back up. Maybe it goes this way. Little rascal's giving me a fit here. There it goes. Now we're going to tighten this down. And these where my little fingers don't work good with these little screws. So luckily the dog didn't get shocked. Now we have a new cord end on, and we're going to take it over here, and I can see now I don't have to have my glasses on. And we're going to plug it in. Y'all going to see a mess over here. We got Sarah's here, Carla's here, they're eating salsa. You can see that video too. Squeeze them together a little bit. Plugged in. Look, we have light working. So that's all you got to do to replace the end on your little things that your dogs chew off. So until next time, if you have any questions, email me at naturesfriends@embarkmail.com, and happy fixing your Christmas decorations. Thank you.